Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, access Settings and scroll down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and your currently used one, in my case keyboard. Go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Then you can pick a photo that you want to apply by clicking on it. After that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, choose Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. When you're done, choose Apply. So now when I go back, I can see that the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!